Another force that students will be familiar with is a rotating object. And so I can take, for example, a rubber stopper and attach that to the end of a string and then just swing it around. I can swing it around in a vertical plane, or I can swing it around in a horizontal plane. And we have then forces acting on the string. The outward force is the centrifugal force, putting tension on the string. So when I swing it around, we have an outward force which then is counteracted by the tension in the string, and an inward force that we call the centripetal force. So the outward force is the centrifugal force. The force going to the center is called the centripetal force. Now, what I've done is modify this a little bit so that I put my string through a piece of tubing, and at the other end I have a larger stopper. And now watch what happens when we turn this. I'm going to rotate the small stopper through the tubing by holding the tubing and twirling it. And notice that as I turn it, the heavy stopper comes up. And if I slow it down, the heavy stopper goes down again. So when I twirl it, the heavy stopper comes up. Due to the centrifugal force, the outward force acting on the stopper, so it goes out, and because it's free to move, it actually moves out then, and the heavy stopper comes up. And then when I slow it down, the heavy stopper goes back.